Lily is a little girl. Lily is a little girl. She is very shy. She is very shy. But she likes playing soccer. But she likes playing soccer. Her friends and classmates laugh at Lily for her interest in soccer. Her friends and classmates laugh at Lily for her interest in soccer. Nonetheless, she wants to be a successful soccer player. Nonetheless, she wants to be a successful soccer player. Every day she returns from school quickly. Every day she returns from school quickly. She quickly finishes her homework and plays soccer. She quickly finishes her homework and plays soccer. Lily's mother understands Lily's love for the sport. Lily's mother understands Lily's love for the sport. So she supports Lily always. So she supports Lily always. One day, inter-school competitions are announced at her school. One day, inter-school competitions are announced at her school. Lily decides to participate. Lily decides to participate. She takes part in the selection trials. She takes part in the selection trials. And her classmates mock her again. And her classmates mock her again. Lily performs well in the game. Lily performs well in the game. And the judges select her to represent the school. And the judges select her to represent the school. Her classmates were shocked because of this. Her classmates were shocked because of this. Lily's commitment and hard work moved every person who mocked her. Lily's commitment and hard work moved every person who mocked her.